morning, friends. Welcome to New York Metro Weather's forecast discussion. It's Thursday, March 27th, 2014. We have a lot going on with the weather. Obviously, yesterday's storm was major over the northwest Atlantic Ocean. And although it missed our area and we were able to fortunately escape the greater impacts of the storm system, it offered some great views and satellite images and a significant storm to Cape Cod, parts of eastern Maine, and Nova Scotia. Today, cold temperatures behind the storm system, and more than anything, although it's cold out and temperatures are in the 20s, these departures are 15 to 20 degrees below normal, and departure percentages are even more impressive. So it's cold, and it's a lot colder than it should be. It's not just in your head. So we're starting out in the 20s, teens in some areas, and the winds earlier this morning made it feel even colder. But we're on the recovery path today, and we'll talk about why. The wind direction is going to shift, and you can see by later today, the HRRR model, it's kind of hard to say, but the HRRR model, temperatures in the 40s and 50s, throughout the area, a little colder near the shore, and the reason is we're going to talk about this a lot this spring when we do these daily forecast discussions, but the southerly winds, it's a warm wind direction for most areas, but the southerly winds on Long Island and near the area coast, that's a cold wind direction this time of year because the ocean is so cold, so you get a marine influence, and that's going to be a big thing as we move forward into the spring and summer, especially that the ocean got so cold this year. Regardless, you see the warm air back to our south and west, and today we'll feel a little bit warmer with some sun and temperatures in the 40s and 50s. But we look back to our west here at 500 millibar, and we have a disturbance coming in. This is a very active pattern. Pacific is very active when we have multiple disturbances flying through. So we have a disturbance at 500 millibar moving through. This is tomorrow, Friday afternoon, and that's going to be the harbor of bad news as far as clouds and showers are concerned. So clouds and showers by Friday, and then if you look further into the weekend, this is Sunday morning, we have an even more significant disturbance at 500 millibar. So it's not all bad news. Friday looks to be showery and rainy. It's going to be warmer. Saturday, we get a brief break in between systems. And so it's going to dry out Friday night into Saturday morning. The first half of Saturday and even the middle part of Saturday could be warm and sunny. By later Saturday, though, this disturbance is going to begin to move in here at 500 millibars, and there's a lot of moisture attached to it right now on the forecast models. And you can see here on the relative humidity, a moist flow. There's a lot of moisture, and there's a lot of lift right near the developing surface low. You can see on the simulated radar here on the NAM model, potential for some very heavy rain late Saturday night into Sunday morning. So the general theme moving forward here is it's going to get warmer. This will be the last bitterly cold morning we have to deal with for a while, but it's going to get warmer, but it's going to be showery and rainy, and this is what happens a lot of times during the spring transition season. So highlights of the forecast: today a little warmer with sun, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Friday even warmer in the 50s, but clouds and showers. First half of Saturday into the middle part of Saturday, although it might be cloudy to partly cloudy, looks like the winning time of the weekend. And then late Saturday into Sunday, we're back with clouds and showers and a period of heavy rain. So stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on the exact timing of things as we move forward. Have a good Thursday, guys.